I'm Matt Lange. I am a music producer, a composer, a sound designer, and a DJ. These days I try to do mostly my own work because I just enjoy it the most, but I co-produced a BT record. I just worked on the most recent 30 Seconds to Mars record. Blake Lewis's third album, I did the whole thing. Tanya Zagara's debut album, did that one as well. I think it was just an inherent part of my artistic development that I needed to be able to combine sound design, music production, writing, everything. Ultimately, it was the ability to combine all of my influences, which ranged from metal to IDM, Aphex Twin, electronic music kind of stuff. So I chose to show Diverted because it really combines everything that I really love, where you have a lot of traditional instrumentation, you have a real piano, real guitar, it's me singing, but then on top of that, it really is a big hybrid of what I love from the sound design side to also the more traditional side.